love her?
I love her.
Yeah,
I love
her enough to take care of my house.
No.
The room that she slept in
Let me tell
had
you.
8 full piles of poop
No.
in the bedroom.
This
So in
not
other words,
true.
Franny, basically, I guess what you're working up to is, Franny, is the dog did it.
The dog did it.
Oh, okay. Well, then we'll get into the car, Maury.
Can we get
Okay? We can get into the car. I let her borrow my car. Okay, I told her she needed to get back and forth from work. I said, not a problem. You can use my car. She takes my car, and I just got it fixed, front end alignment, new tires.
How about the
She
windshield?
drank, right? There was
I
one
drank.
little crack in the windshield.
I was just digging around, and I was all like, dude, I found this triangle. And my friends were like, dude. And I was like, dude. And I got it.
Too much.
Maybe, but
Now you want to break up with me, don't you?
One of America's top career choices. You'll get this nationally recognized diploma after you've trained for the career you've always wanted. Take a look at PCBI's Excel.
getting here, singles right field. Fernando Vinya's going to test Raul Mondes's arm.
Marty? What are you doing home on a Saturday night? Where are your friends? Don't understand how a nice boy like you doesn't have a date on the weekend. You know, I ran into Sheila Messenger's mother the other day at the mall. She says Sheila just moved into the city, and she's single. Well, I told her you would call. I thought you wouldn't mind. What are you waiting for? At your age, your father was already married with 3 children. For some reason, I feel I need to get going. I'll call you later.
You've got mail. Young's Pirates in San Fran, top 3. Pirates up 1 hit, 2 outfield for Kevin Young. Hitting Brady his 4th home run of the year. Young, 2 for 4 tonight. Kid is hitting .372. Pirates up 4 love. Bottom 9, Giants down 5-4. Got 2 bases for One out, 1 on for Marty Menard. Facing Rich. Menard hitting .333 down the left field line. Gets in the corner. Quick run away. Sanchez is waved in. Sanchez scores. Menard goes to third. You think Texas got it? After a tissue walk to Bill Miller and Barry Bonds, best goal for Jim Gibbs. Top on the first pitch. Blue Tigers get out there.